Most people think dying before 80 is just bad luck or genetics. But what if I told you it's often small daily habits that quietly chip away at your health, long before you feel anything wrong? In this video, I'll show you 5 surprising reasons why so many people don't make it past 80, and what you can do today to avoid them. Reason number 1. Microsocial starvation. Humans don't just need big social gatherings, we need small, daily micro-connections. A quick hello to your neighbor. A chat with the barista. These moments release oxytocin, a hormone that lowers stress, protects the heart, and reduces inflammation. But after 70, many people withdraw, speak less, and stop interacting with strangers. Over time, this creates chronic stress, raises blood pressure, and even shrinks parts of the brain. Fix this by intentionally making one micro-connection per day. Say hi to a stranger, call a friend, or even greet a pet. Reason number 2. Overcautious inactivity. Be careful. How often do we say this to older adults? While well-meaning, this mindset often turns into excessive stillness. But the less you move, the faster your muscles waste away. And muscle isn't just strength. It's life insurance. It controls blood sugar, keeps your balance sharp, and protects your brain. Studies show that adults who remain physically active in their 70s live longer and with fewer diseases. You don't need a gym, just 20 minutes of walking, squatting, or light resistance movement each day is enough. Reason number 3. Broken sleep rhythms. After 60, your circadian rhythm becomes more fragile. Staying up late, napping too long, or watching TV at night confuses your body's natural clock. This weakens your immune system and increases risk of dementia. Many people assume poor sleep is just aging, but it's not. Bright morning light, consistent sleep times, and no caffeine after 2 p.m. can reset your rhythm. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's your brain's repair mode. Reason number 4. Understimulated brain. Retirement often removes structure from daily life. No deadlines, no goals, no problem solving. But your brain thrives on stimulation. Without it, mental atrophy sets in fast. Sudoku and crosswords help, but real stimulation comes from novelty, learning a new skill, volunteering, or tackling challenges. Neuroplasticity doesn't vanish with age, but it needs a reason to stay active. Reason number 5. Neglected mouth health. Your mouth is the gateway to your entire body. Gum disease has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. Yet after 70, many people stop seeing a dentist regularly. Tooth loss reduces the ability to chew, leading to poor nutrition, and chronic gum inflammation spreads silently through the bloodstream. Brush gently, floss daily, and get checkups twice a year, even if you wear dentures. If you're over 55, these 5 things can either quietly shorten your life or become daily habits that extend it. Which one will you fix starting today? This is Age 55 Plus, where your health, strength, and independence come first. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tips to live longer, move better, and stay sharp. See you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay smart.